Hey, to add fingerprint screen lock method on the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G, first of all you have to go to the settings, and from here you have to scroll down actually into the lock screen. Now select screen lock type, and previously you have to actually get this standard screen lock like PIN, pattern or the password. And now to enable the fingerprints you have to click here, tap to continue, tap to register, and from this there's the fingerprint sensor located, and you have to just put your finger on it and try to rise. So put it, let it scan and rise. So you have to move it all around, scan every part of your fingertip, and as you can see on the screen we've got the progression. So currently I'm on the 60, or currently it's even 80%. And after a few moments it will be finished. One more time, and now it's done. We can also add another fingerprint if you want, but if you don't need, click done, and now you can just unlock your phone by using, never mind, okay, right now the screen lock is not working, so let me just fix this. Go right here, open the fingerprints. Let's do this one more time, because there's like something is definitely wrong. Okay, I'm not sure what is the reason that we actually cannot lock the phone right now. It's just unlocking without the screen lock method. That's weird, but let's wait for like a couple of the seconds. Okay,